Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download FTX Wallet application for your iPhone. In order to download FTX Wallet application on your iPhone, start off by typing open your App Store. Soon after you do that, go to the search box at the top and type in FTX Wallet and make your search. This one's the app that we are looking for. It was formerly known as Blockfolio, now known as FTX. To quickly download the application for your iPhone, tap the Get button. You'll need to confirm your identity. Once you do that, your download should begin. FTX Wallet provides a custodial wallet where you can store crypto you buy and transfer coins to and from other wallets. It has low fees for cryptocurrency trading with a decent selection of digital assets and offers. It also has some features of advanced traders, including the ability to trade between cryptocurrencies and multiple national currencies. Wait until the application gets downloaded for your iPhone and it'll be ready for use. Soon after the application gets downloaded, tap the Open button to launch the app open, and that is how you can easily download FTX Wallet on your iPhone. How to download FTX Wallet application for your Android. Download FTX Wallet app on your Android. Tap Open your Play Store. Make sure that you're connected to an internet, of course, and then tap on the search button at the top. Type in FTX Wallet in the search box and search. Tap on this application right here that says FTX-Trade BTC ETH and SHIB. Once you find this application, tap on the install button in green to begin the downloading process. FTX is a cryptocurrency derivative exchange that was created by traders for trading. It aspires to provide a platform that is both strong and intuitive for professional trading firms and first-time users. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap the Open button to launch it on. How to sign up for FTX Wallet. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar, type in ftx.com/wallet and search. You'll be able to find yourself in the official web page of FTX, which looks like this. Click on the register button at the top right hand corner in order to sign up for FTX. FTX offers a custodial wallet where you can store cryptocurrency you purchase, send and receive coins to, and from other wallets. Once you end up in the creator account page right here, go ahead and enter a valid email address that you have access to in the first text box. Now head over to the next field and create a password for your account. While creating a password, make sure that your password is strong. It includes an uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and a special character in your password. Finally, after typing in the credentials, click on I agree to the FTX Terms of Service box and finally click on Create Account. Wait for a few seconds. Soon after you do that, you have successfully signed up for FTX Wallet. Now, type in your first legal name into the first text box and then type in your last name on the next. Provide your date of birth information by typing in your birth month, day, and year. Finally, click Continue. On the next page, select your country of residence. Type in your street address on the next field. Once you type in your street address, other information will be typed in automatically. Now, click Continue at the bottom. Type in a valid phone number of yours and click on Send Code. You'll receive an SMS verification code on your mobile number. Type in the verification code into the text box and finally click on Go to Wallet, and there you have successfully signed up for FTX Wallet. This will be your main home page. To go to your profile, click on your email address at the top right hand and click on Settings, and there is your profile for your FTX account. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you, and that is how you can easily create or sign up for a new account on FTX Wallet. How to log into FTX Wallet using your desktop. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser of your choice. As soon as you do that, go to the search box at the very top of the screen and type in ftx.com/wallet and search. This will take you to the official web page of FTX Wallet, which looks like this. Go to the top right hand corner where you can see two buttons that says Login and Register. If you already have an account, click the Login button and follow the on-screen prompts. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to register yourself first. Click the Register button, enter your email and the password that you'd like to create, and click on Create Account in order to complete your signing up. To log into an existing account, you'll need to type in your email address that is associated with your wallet. Soon after you do that, go to the next field and type in the password correct as well. In case you don't remember your password, you can click on the Forgot Password link beneath and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password. Finally, after you are done entering your credentials, click the login button and you'll need to verify your account by entering the 6-digit verification code that has been sent to your mobile number. Once you enter the code into the text box, click Submit. You'll be able to log into your FTX Wallet account right away from your computer. How to log into FTX Wallet using your iPhone. To log into your FTX Wallet using your iPhone, tap Open your FTX Wallet app from the app drawer. Once you do that, you'll end up on this page where you can see two options: sign in and register. If you don't have a wallet yet for FTX Wallet, tap on the register button and follow the on-screen prompts. If you are an existing member, tap the sign in button and from the drop-down, choose your platform. Now enter your email address that is associated with FTX Wallet. Once you do that, head over to the password text field and type in your password correct. If you don't remember your password, tap on the Forgot Password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password. Finally, tap on the green button at the bottom that says Sign In. And now, you'll need to enter the 6-digit authentication code that has been emailed to you. Now, after you receive the 6-digit code on your mobile number, type it in and tap Continue. Soon after you do that, you'll be logged into your FTX wallet right away. All you need to make sure is to enter the correct credentials and you'll be good to go. How to change FTX Wallet account's password using your desktop. Open up a web browser of your choice and once you do that, go to the URL box and type in ftx.com/wallet and press enter. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you are, mouse over to the email address option at the upper right hand corner, which will bring up an expanded menu. From the options, select Settings and give it a click. Soon after you do that, from your Security tab, you'll be able to see an option that says Change Password. Give it a click and click on Request Password Reset option. Enter the email address that is associated with your FTX wallet and click on Send Reset Email. You've just been sent an email to reset your password. Open up a new tab and log into your email service provider. In my case, it is Gmail. So let me click Open Gmail inbox and you'll be able to receive an email that says Reset your password from FTX cryptocurrency. Click it open and copy the code sent on your email address. Now click on this link that says please visit to reset your password. On a new tab, you should receive this kind of an interface. Enter your email address one more time that is associated with FTX wallet. Make sure to type in the information correct. Now type in the new password that you would want to change to in the next field. Once you choose a strong password, head over to the next field and type in the password again. This is to ensure that you are typing the correct information. Finally, right where it says reset code, paste in the code that you copied from right here from your inbox and click on reset password. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your password for your FTX wallet right away. Whenever you're logging into your account next time, make sure to enter the new password that you just created. How to increase the deposit limit on FTX wallet. If you want to increase your limits or have access to additional funding methods, then follow the steps. Tap open your FTX Wallet application from your app drawer and make sure that you are logged into your account. In order to increase your limit on FTX Wallet, the first thing you'll need to do is to verify your account. If you don't do that yet, you won't be able to increase your limits on FTX Wallet. From the home screen of FTX Wallet, tap on the gear button at the upper right hand corner. Now, click on Account Limits button in the pop-up. On the next page, click Increase Limits button at the bottom. And if you want to increase your deposit and withdrawal limit, you need to provide a photo of your government issue ID. Click on Let's Go and go through the information. Select where the source of your funds come from and verify your identity on the next page by tapping on Verify Identity. Click on Get Started in order to start off with identity verifications. Select your identity type that you would like to provide from the options displayed. Click the Next button after you make a choice. Click on Accept and continue on the next page. Allow access for your camera by tapping on OK, allow more access, and upload the front of your photo ID. On the next page, you'll need to upload the back part of your photo ID as well. And finally, after you are verified with your identity, you'll be able to increase deposit limits or withdrawal limits on FTX Wallet using iPhone. How to find FTX Wallet address using your iPhone. Start off by tapping open your FTX Wallet application from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and select the cryptocurrency that you want to view the wallet address of. You can find one of the cryptocurrency under the tradable asset list. For example, if you're trying to view the wallet address for Bitcoin, select the Bitcoin option. The wallet address or deposit address varies based on the crypto asset that you are trying to deposit. Once you tap on the Bitcoin wallet from this page, tap on Bitcoin wallet option right here and tap on deposit on the next page. You'll be able to see the wallet address for your Bitcoin displayed on the screen along with the QR code. You can select the network from the button right beneath select network and choose the cryptocurrency that you want to view the wallet address for. That is how you can easily find FTX wallet address. The wallet address varies according to the cryptocurrencies that you're trying to select. So you'll need to select a particular cryptocurrency in order to view the wallet address of that cryptocurrency with the FTX wallet. How to buy crypto on FTX Wallet application. In order to buy crypto on FTX Wallet application, first make sure that you've downloaded FTX Wallet on your mobile device. Also, make sure to sign up for a new wallet if you don't have it yet. Once you have a wallet, simply tap open your wallet from the app drawer. Make sure that you're logged into your account. And in order to buy crypto on FTX Wallet, first you need to deposit some funds on your wallet. Once you have it, scroll through the tradable assets list and tap on any asset that you'd like to buy. For example, let me tap on Bitcoin. Now, tap on the buy button at the bottom of the page and type in the amount that you are willing to spend to buy Bitcoin. Once you type in the amount, tap on the review button at the bottom of the page and simply follow the on-screen prompts so that you can buy Bitcoin on FTX Wallet. That way, you can easily buy a cryptocurrency from FTX Wallet using your iPhone. How to recover FTX Wallet account if you've forgotten your password during the login process. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser and type in ftx.com/wallet and search. You'll end up in the official web page of FTX Wallet, which looks like this. Go to the login button at the top right hand corner in order to end up in the login area. In the login area that appears on your display, you can see a link that says forgot password. Give it a click and on the next page, type in the email address that is associated with your FTX wallet. Once you type it in, click on send reset email. You'll receive an email to reset your password for FTX wallet. Simply open up a new tab and then go to your email service provider. You'll be able to receive an inbox from FTX cryptocurrency. Click it open and click on the password reset link that appears on the screen. Type in the email address right where it says reset password. Make sure to type in the same email address that is associated with your account, and on the next field where it says new password, type in the new password that you'd like to reset to. Always make sure to include uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers, and a special character in your password. Confirm the password on the next field by typing it again. Make sure both the passwords in the text boxes matches. Now, on the next page where it says reset code, type in the reset code that has been sent to you via email. Go back to your inbox, copy the code, and paste it in. Finally, click on reset password, and you'll be able to recover your password for FTX Wallet. Next time you log into your account, remember to enter the same password that you just created. That is how you can easily recover FTX Wallet when you've forgotten your password while logging into your account. How to log out of FTX Wallet using your iPhone. In order to log out or sign out of your FTX Wallet application using iPhone, first, make sure that you are inside the main home page. Once you're inside, tap on the gear button located at the upper right hand corner and tap the settings button at the lower left. Scroll all the way down until you see a sign out button and give it a tap. Once you do that, you'll be signed out of your FTX Wallet application using iPhone. To log in back again, you'll need to go ahead and enter your credentials for your FTX Wallet. How to log out of FTX Wallet using your desktop. Now let's jump right into the video. Let's say you've opened up your FTX FTX Wallet on your desktop browser over here. In order to log out of your account, you'll need to find your email address at the top right hand corner. Simply give it a click and you should see an expanded menu pop up. Click the log out button at the bottom of the pop-up and you'll be able to log out of your FTX Wallet account using your desktop. To log in back again from the main homepage of FTX, click the login button at the top right hand corner. Enter your email address followed by your password. Make sure to enter your credentials correct and click on the login button to log in back to your wallet. That is how you can easily log out or sign out of FTX Wallet. How to delete FTX Wallet application from your Android. Now let's jump right into the video. Go ahead and spot the FTX Wallet application from your mobile device. Once you find it, press hold to the application and a pop-up menu should appear. Tap the uninstall button and in the pop-up that asks you if you want to uninstall this application for sure, tap on OK and your application should be deleted. There's another way to do that as well. Go and tap Open Your Settings button from your mobile device. From the settings menu, scroll all the way down until you find Apps and give it a tap. Now, search for FTX Wallet application from the list of the application that has been installed on your Android. Once you find it, give it a tap. Right at the bottom of this app info page, you should see a button that says Uninstall. Tap it on and confirm uninstalling your application by tapping on OK in the pop-up. Wait for a few seconds and there you have completely deleted FTX Wallet application from your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.